Hello guys, welcome to Cognizance IAS Coaching. I'm Abjit, and in this video we are going to discuss the syllabus of UPSC exam 2021. In the previous video, I've said about the IAS exam pattern and the age limit and some more tips for the preparation for the exam. If you did not see the video, link in the description, you can check there. So, as I said in the previous video, there will be three stages in the IAS exam: preliminary, mains exam, and the personal interview. So, I'm going to discuss the syllabus of the prelims exam and mains exam now. So, first, let's start with the UPSC syllabus 2021 of preliminary exam. First, the paper one of 200 marks, duration 2 hours. There will be current events of national and international importance, that is current affairs. Don't worry about the current affairs. Current affairs will be uploaded for every day in the Cognizance IAS coaching channel. And next there will be of history of India and Indian national movement, and Indian and world geography, physical, social, economic geography of India and the world, and India polity and governance, constitution, political system, Panchayati Raj, public policy, right issues, and etc. Economic, social development, sustainable development, poverty, inclusion, demographics, social sector initiatives, etc. The general issues are environment, ecology, biodiversity, and climate change, and there will be general science in the paper one. So let's go to the paper two of 200 marks of duration 2 hours. There will be comprehension, interpersonal skills, including communication skills, logical reasoning, and analytical ability, decision making and problem solving, general mental ability, basic numeracy, numbers and their relations, orders of magnitude, based on their class 10th. There will be a class 10th level and data interpretation like charts, graphs, tables, data, sufficiency, etc. Same of class 10th level. Now let's see the UPSC syllabus 2021 for mains examination. As we all know, first two papers, paper A and paper B, will be qualifying papers on Indian language and English. So on Indian languages, there will be comprehension of given passages, precise writing, usage of vocabulary, short essays, translation from English to the Indian language, and vice versa. So paper B is English, comprehension of given passages, precise writing, usage and vocabulary, short essays. So now the paper one will be of essay. The candidates may be required to write essays on multiple topics. They will be given the question paper. And paper two, general studies, paper one, India, heritage and culture, history, geography of the world and society. So in the paper two, the general studies paper one, there will be Indian heritage, modern Indian history, world history, Indian society, geography. In the paper three, that is general studies paper two, there will be governance, constitution, polity, social justice, and international relations, like Indian constitution, Indian polity, social justice, Indian governance, and international relations. So the paper four, that is general studies paper three, will be of technology, economic development, biodiversity, environment and security, and disaster management. So in the paper four, there will be Indian economy, science and technology, environment and biodiversity, disaster management, and security. In the paper five, that is general studies paper four, there will be ethics, integrity, and aptitude. Ethics and human interference, attitude, aptitude, emotional intelligence, public civil service values, and ethics in public administration, and probity and governance. So in the last three papers, there will be of optional subjects, right? Optional subjects, paper one, paper two. I said in the previous video. So the optional subjects are as follows: agricultural science, animal husbandry, veterinary science, botany, chemistry, civil engineering, commerce and economics, electrical engineering, geography, geology, history, law management, mathematics, mechanical engineering, medical sciences, philosophy, physics and political science, and international relations, psychology and public administration, sociology, education, statistics, geology. And there will be, as I said there will be some languages you have to select for the paper A, that is the Indian language. So the languages are Assamese, Bengali, Bodo, Dogri, Gujarati, Hindi, Kannada, Kashmiri, Konkani, Mathali, Malayalam, Manipuri, Marathi, Nepali, Odia, Punjabi, Sanskrit, Santhali, Sindhi, Tamil, Telugu, Urdu, English. So this is the syllabus for the prelims and mains exam. So now let's see the analysis for the questions asked in the previous year. First, let's go to the general studies question paper. So in the economy and government schemes institutions, the subject of economy and government schemes institution, the number of questions asked is 18. And in the environment subject, the number of questions asked is 17. In agriculture, 5. Geography 14, science and technology 13, history culture 15, and there is no question asked in the international relations, defense, and famous persons. And there is 18 questions asked in polity and constitution. So total 100 questions. So let's go to the 2004 question paper. In that, economy and government schemes institution are there was 10 questions, environment 28, agriculture 8, geography 10, science and technology 9, Austrian culture 20, international relations, defense and famous person 4, and polity and constitution 11. So total again 100. Let's go to the question paper 2015. Economy and government schemes 21, environment 22, agriculture 4, geography 11, history and culture there is 9, and international relations, defense and famous person there are 14 questions, and the polity and constitution they gave separate but they are same. So it is 12 questions, and in the history and culture, there are some 7 questions more added. So total again 100 questions. So let's go to the 2016 paper. Economy and government skips 29, environment 21, agriculture 5, geography 4, science and technology 10, history and culture 17, international relations, difference and famous person 8, polity and constitution number 6, and total 100. 2017 paper, economy and government schemes institution again 29, environment 14, agriculture 5, geography 7, in science and technology 6 questions, history and culture 14, international relations, defense and famous person 3 questions, and polity and constitution 22. The total 100 marks again. So the 2018 paper, economy and government schemes institution, there are 25 questions, environment 12, agriculture 4, geography 4, science and technology 13, history culture 21, international relations, defense and famous person 8, and polity and constitution 13, total 100 marks, total 100 questions. 2019 topic analysis, economy and government schemes, institutions 28, environment 21, agriculture 2, geography 7, science and technology 11, history and culture 15, international relations, defense and famous person 2, and polity and constitution 4. So these are the analysis of general studies question paper from 2013 to 2019. So topic wise, let's go to the analysis of aptitude question paper in previous year. So the analysis of aptitude question paper in 2013, the mental ability and logical ability analytical will 26 questions, arithmetic 7, there's no question asked in geometry, religion, connection, probability 0, time and distance 4 questions, data interpretation 6 questions, interpersonal skills and communication skills 1, decision making ability 5 questions, and general comprehension there are 23 questions, and English language comprehension skills is 8 questions. And next is the analysis of aptitude question paper 2014. So mental ability, analytical and logical ability 30, arithmetics 5, geometry 1, religion connection probability 1, time and distance 4, data interpretation 6, international personal skills and communication skills 1, decision making ability 5, general comprehension 23 questions, and English language comprehension skills 8, so total 80 questions. 2015 mental ability 30 questions, arithmetic 5, geometry 1, religion connection probability 8, time and distance 4, data interpretation 4, there's no question asked in interpersonal skills and communication skills, there's no question asked in decision making ability. General comprehension, there are 28 questions, and there's no question asked in English language comprehension skills, so total 80 questions. So paper 2016 question paper, mental ability to 27 questions, arithmetic 19, geometry 2, religion connection only 1 question asked, time and distance 3, there's no question asked in data interpretation, interpersonal skills and decision making ability, general comprehension 28, and again there's no question asked in English language comprehension skills, total 80 questions. So let's go to the question paper 2017. So in this mental ability, analytical, logical ability, 26 questions were asked, arithmetic 20, geometry there was no questions asked, religion connection probability 2 questions, time and distance 1, there's no questions asked in data interpretation, interpersonal skills, decision making ability, and English language comprehension skills, and then general comprehension there's 29 questions asked, so total 80 mark questions. So in the analysis of aptitude question paper 2018, mental ability and logical ability of 21 questions, arithmetic 11, geometry just 2 questions, religion connection probability 4 questions, time and distance 4, in data interpretation 12, there's no questions asked in interpersonal skills again, decision making ability, English language comprehension skills, there are 26 questions asked in the general comprehension, so total 80 questions. Let's go to the paper 2019, analysis of aptitude question paper. So mental ability 22, arithmetic 20 questions, geometry 1, religion, connection, probability. 5, time and distance. 2, there's no question asked in data interpretation, interpersonal skills, decision making ability, and English language comprehension skills. And there are 30 questions asked in the general comprehension. So total again 80 marks. So this is the syllabus of the UPSC 2021 and the analysis of the papers from 2013 to 2019. So thank you for watching, guys. Subscribe to the channel Cognizance IAS Coaching and stay tuned to the channel for current affairs and more MCQ sessions. Thanks for watching.